Hi everyone. Welcome to week 2. Week 1 has been fantastic. Everyone's been super engaged and I really appreciate that. I've been loving your intro videos and getting to know you better. A little hint on the recordings, make sure you're in a really quiet place because even if you can hear everything okay through your headphones, your mouthpiece is picking up all of the surrounding sounds. So if you're in a room with a loud TV or loud children or loud people, it's going to get picked up on, and it made some of the videos kind of hard to hear. So yeah, just try your best in doing that in a quiet spot. Otherwise, things have been great. I'm reading your informal papers today, and I'm excited to get to know you even more. This week, we are going to dive into our breakout groups, which I created for you. So there's 3 groups of 3 of you. So what you're going to be doing is getting into those groups this week and teaching each other things. So you're going to get together as a group. So I'm looking at the learning activities right now and the breakout discussion. So you have a vignette that you're going to take a look at. Everyone has the same vignette. Everyone's going to talk about the manifest and latent content. And then everyone has a different second question. And then everyone has a different third question, which will be really interesting to hear everybody's take on the same group. And then everybody is assigned a different phase of group development. So there's obviously the pre-affiliation stage where they're just getting to know one another. There might be some distrust, things like that. So you really want to talk about what does it mean to be in the pre-affiliation stage and how might that affect your decisions as a facilitator. Then you really want to talk about the next group can talk more about the beginning phase was what I just described. And then the work phase, the middle phase, kind of that what takes place to make that happen. And again, how would that affect your decision making as a facilitator? And then group C gets the termination phase to really teach back and talk to your fellow students about. So you should have had a separate piece of information regarding the feminist group work model and the Boston model. Reciprocal interactionist model and the Boston model, which has different ways of describing what each of those phases mean and which one resonates with you the most. And that can change depending on the group. So it's really exciting to kind of dig into, and I'm excited to hear your questions and excited to watch your videos and see you teach each other. So that's the discussion, which is due on Wednesday. And then the informal paper, if you have any questions on that, please just let me know, but it's pretty straightforward in the instructions. I really am loving already your film reflection journals, so keep them coming. I love the questions. I love the thought that goes into them. Please make them a little bit more substantive than just a couple lines after the questions. I really kind of want you to write these like you would a journal, so really kind of diving in deeper. Reflect on your own observations of the videos that you're seeing. Really kind of dive deep into the questions that come up for you or what you are seeing. And then also connecting it to any literature that you've read prior or that week to kind of generate some more deeper level thinking on that. The other thing you're going to want to do this week is go out and into your community and attend a community-based group because your paper is due week 4. I will post next week a little bit more in depth about what that paper entails, but the rubric is readily available. It's pretty easy to follow. I just want you getting out into the community and seeing what resources there are for clients that you will be serving someday, as well as have the experience on the other end of what a group feels like, and jump out of your comfort zone. So again, welcome to week 2. Very excited to see you all again and dive in. Any questions, you can reach me. Bye.